In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift an NFT on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to double check so your digital gift lands in the right wallet without any hiccups. Start by opening OpenSea in your browser. Once you're on the home page and your wallet is recognized, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. A small menu will appear. Click Profile to open your personal hub where all your collectibles live. Inside your profile, head to the Items section. This is your library of NFTs. If you have a large collection, use the search bar to quickly find the piece you're planning to gift. Typing the collection name or the NFT's title usually narrows it down instantly, which saves time and prevents selecting the wrong item. When you see the NFT you want to send, select it to open its item page. At the top of the NFT page, look for the chain label and make sure it's set to the correct network for that item, such as Base. This matters because transfers happen on the network where the NFT exists. If the chain tag doesn't match the NFT's home chain, switch to the correct one so the transfer routes properly. On the item page, click Send. This option moves the NFT directly to another wallet without listing it for sale or changing the price history. It's a clean gift-style transfer. You'll see a field to enter the recipient's wallet address or their ENS name. Paste carefully and double-check every character. If you're using an ENS name, confirm it resolves to the intended address. A simple mistyped character can send the NFT to the wrong place. And blockchain transfers are final, so this quick verification is worth the extra few seconds. Next, choose the amount. If your NFT is a single edition collectible, this will default to 1. If it's a multi-edition item, you can select how many copies you want to send in this gift. When everything looks good, click Review Transfer. Take a moment to confirm the NFT details, the recipient information, the chain, and any estimated network fees. This review screen is your last chance to catch typos or mismatches before proceeding. That's it. You've set up your NFT gift on OpenSea. After you complete the on-screen prompts, the recipient will see the NFT arrive in their wallet on the correct chain. For the smoothest experience, let them know to check that network in their wallet and on their OpenSea profile. Enjoy gifting and happy collecting.